it always was and how it is meant to be. Vintage, a game of ancient superiority. The historic and cultural rivalry between these two teams leaves no stone unturned. You just cannot help but to lick your lips for this juicy encounter. Aduana Stars filled with the optimism to put in more salt in the wounds of Kotoko. Kumasi Asante Kotoko are where they never wish to be. 4 defeats in a row, 5 consecutive games without a win. They either look into the Bulls' eyes or lose everything for this season. This is obviously one of the biggest games we can ever get on this particular land. Coach Yawa Champon has decided to go with Masaudu Inusa as the goalkeeper. He also captains the team. Rich Saki maintains his spot in the team. Abubakar Adams, Silas Shreme, Kelvin Opey, Abdul Latif Bamba, Elvis Ado, Richard Tete, Alex Boache, and also Hansen Amponsan. On the part of Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum has maintained Mohamed Kamara in post, even after the 2 mistakes against Nations FC. Justice Blake captains. Gilbani O'Neill in Dongani Samba, Fernando Wisdom Bassi, Sarka Dauda, Patrick Asedu, Albert Amoa, Baba Yaya, Joseph Ablo, Lord Amoa, and also Andrews Intimenu. So once again, Samuel Tinedu continues to be on the bench. The officials, Amoa Reginald Collins, will be the center referee. Akurige Theophilus is the first assistant. Seth Ableto is the second. Adari Abdul Latif, the experienced Adari, is the fourth official. And Musa Ali Pilato will be the match commissioner. Asante Kotoko seeking to break their winless run. It's been a difficult run of games for them so far. 5 games without a win, 4 losses in a row. This is not where they wanted to be. My summarizer, Daniel Dangana, is here with me. I am Robert Konya, your commentator. They need to do it. They have to do it. They ought to do it and they must do it. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Aduana Stars not giving much away. This venue licking its lips. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. The last time they won here was in January in the 2021-2022 season. Now they are here. from now, this juiciest fossil of this match day could begin. You can feel the pressure already. The players already getting into areas they are not allowed to, and the game begins. Play being stretched to the right side. Aduana Stars, Silas Chairman. He's been the commander in midfield for the home team. What a season he's had. The ancient purveyors of the Ghana Premier League, Asante Kotoko, playing in a game of ancient dominance. If you win, you brag for a long time. If you lose, nowhere to hide for you. Kotoko defending very deep. Henson and Ponsa was the man who got fouled. Kamara will not repeat what happened in Bechem. And so this time, he takes the ball with intent. Kotoko. It was for Saka Dauda, but a very good cut. You can feel it. The fans still rushing to get their ticket into this venue. Leaving no room, no stone unturned. Rich Saki got a final touch, and this will be a Kotoko throw. Reginald Collins Samoa has scored for free kick for the home team. Abubakar Adams. Could this be it? Justice Play has crafted a throw for the Porcupine Warriors. Asiedu. Elvis Ado. A pass to Bamba. Bamba goes down. No whistle. He hit out for throw. And this will be for the Porcupine Warriors. Saka with a touch. Justice Bliss sends it back. Alex Boache, who came on as a substitute when they played against Nswatre Man in Nswatre.
Alex Boache is first season with Indiana Stars, so a lot of experience. And what that was a typical skill clearance, just some fear on the numbers.
Nice turn from the team. Out wide to Saka. Touchdown. Asante Kotoko. Emmanuel Antwi has been dropped to the bench.
Because some of the greatest squad for Kotoko, he's here to find his form and so supporting Fernando Bus on the left can create a lot of problem. What that 10 from he was one down. The team is one guy. His ability to leave incisive passes. Cannot doubt it.
Lord Amoa Saka Dauda Patrick Asiedu. Perhaps this would have been a perfect situation for Emmanuel Antwi. But now, one of these three would have to be the hero. Which of them would it be?
For Saka Dauda because his days at Bafo used to score from second man. And I believe just some few meters.
Asiedu, has he hit the back of the net? He has. Oh, wow. This is how you do it. And they run to their coach, the man under pressure. Relief. Absolute relief for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. We are just 10 minutes in, and the Porcupine Warriors are on top. Kotoko's Utopia, and it's Aduana Star Spain. What a goal! Could this be just the second time in history that Asante Kotoko would do this? Beat Aduana Stars at home.
And let's give a bit of congratulations to Coach Oku, because Kotoko has been struggling to compete for set pieces. But this time, I think a lot of rehearsals have been done on training ground, and perfect execution here for Patrick Asante.
Saka Dauda's ball for Albert Amoa to chase. But goalkeeper Masaudu. Good turn, Kojo Amoako. Lot of technique.
Lot of technique. And second balls is for high technical players. And looking at the height of goalkeeper Masaudu goals, he still managed to find the back of the net from that distance.
Maybe the turning point, maybe not. Maybe relief for Ogum. Maybe more pressure. Let's see. Baba Yaya, Team Menu. And Kojo Amoako gives away another corner. Aduana Stars seem to be under intense pressure to deliver.
The first 5 minutes, which was even a start for the front foot. Now, on the opposite side, applying pressure upon pressure.
Patrick Asiedu, the goal scorer. Reginald calling someone. The referee has given a foul to Aduana Stars. This is not what they need. They need to hit. Aduana Stars given away by Richard Tete. Another foul caused by Silas Shreme. He confronts the referee, but he refuses to be intimidated by that. So
Fernando is being kept quiet ever since the start of the game. We're looking at the runs of Albert Amuan. He's often like a supporting player to Don Bassi. But facing the likes of Saki alongside Jean Marco. These two guys are tough.
Alex Boache. Silas Sherman. Tete. Aduana starts his foul. Henson and Ponsa. He came off the bench to get a good game against Nsuatreman in Nsuatre last week, and so he's been rewarded a start.
A lot of teams are trying to always test Kamara on high balls, regardless of his height. He's caused a lot of mess with that ability.
Fernando Wisdom Passy. A point to prove for Bassi. He's been given a starting nod. Bassi has been shifted. Of course, Alex Boache. Aduana Stars under intense pressure to deliver. They need to get a goal and they need to do that as soon as possible. Rich Saki.
But for the first time this season, we see some bit of ridiculous in midfield for Kotoko. The second of the midfield, that's always been passive. And a bit of ridiculous is actually, I think it's always been good.
The flag is up on Saka Dauda.
Last season he scored 8 goals for Africa. And he was beside. So Kotoko,
Fernando Bassi Wisdom.
Bus is struggling to check on the players.
Saka Dauda was trying to get the best out of Rich Saki.
The right full back. The right centre back. Second. Let's stop it.
Aduana Stars lacking some personality. Things not really working there for them. Hansen and Ponsa, Kojamo Ako, Alex Boache gets it. Team Menu, according to the referee, has handled the ball. And it's obviously going to be a foul. Free kick. Kotoko scored from similar position. Similar situation. Can Aduana Stars do say? Alex Boache. Ball saved by Kamara. And Tim. Back to Lord Amoa.
And that is something massive. And a lot of improvement from Laura One. And just put that company from so far well. Mohamed Kamara trying to go on his helmet.
Elvis Ado tried covering spaces. Gets the touch to Kudwa Mwako. Good touch into space. Mwako tries across. Still in play. Aduana Stars. Fernando Bassi. Giving away another throw.
And again, Kotoko playing with more cautious approach. Anytime they don't have the ball, look at the numbers in defense. About 5 players, and that's a trade back opportunity. That is person. That is back 60. Always get it. That 5 back is something unusual.
Asiedu. A bit of miscommunication between Joseph Ablo and Mohamed Kamara. This time Kamara will take no such, because he's been vindicated on many occasions and also victimized.
Of course, life, you can't get everything perfect all time. You can be a villain, you can also be a hero.
Alex Boache again. A lot of experience.
For a player to be having his 5th season for Aduana Stars, it tells you a lot in terms of experience.
Masaudu, who could do nothing about Kotoko's goal. Kudwa Mwako. Bassi. Space for Bassi. Alex Boache. Foul on Fernando Wisdom Bassi.
The best of Bassi's quality is his ability to take you on the pace. He got this explosive pace and also silky to handle. But the right side of defense for Aduana Stars is just top notch. Alex Boache, the culprit. It's going to be another infringement. Very advantageous again for Kotoko. Creating from open play has been difficult for Asante Kotoko. So working so hard on set pieces is obvious, and watch that again. Masaudu Inusa was just, he could not believe that, and that was a highly technical goal from Kotoko.
Patrick Asiedu, Saka Dauda, and Fernando Wisdom Bassi. Plotting against Aduana Stars, Saka Dauda and Patrick Asiedu.
Kotoko don't have a lot of players that are durable in the air. In as much as Albert Amua is so good, but you don't have to stress him at this point. Such balls can be tried from that angle.
Saka goes with a grounded ball. Kotoko seemed to have gotten a lot dangerous with the set pieces this time.
But for this time, that was feeble one from Saka Dauda. But just like I said, in the course of the season, they've been awarded a lot of free kicks. But how to convert and be purposeful from such perspective is what they are lacking. But this afternoon, they've broken the virgins of the game from such moment.
Aduana Stars. Ball sent to Tete. Amwakon. Elvis Ado. Elvis. Corner taken. Advantage Kotoko.
Aduana Stars at home. It was 1-1 against Heart of Lions. They lost against Nations. They won 2-0 against Dreams, 2-2 against Mediaman, and 1-0 against Karela United.
Fernando Bassi, side net. Kotoko living a dream here in Doma. The first goal has given them a lot of belief. They know they can do it.
Departmentally, you could see a bit of intensity and high level of aggression from Kotoko. The wing backs are disciplined, always trying to retract to give Kotoko a formidable back five. In the midfield, in Team Menu, alongside Babaya, very composed. Saka Dauda William Bassi taking advantage of the fullbacks.
In Team Menu, play. Pass. Baba. Patrick Asiedu. Just look at the level of calmness and experience from Justice Blake.
Of course, and looking at Babaya, he seems to be under some pressure anytime he's having the ball. He struggled to control ball very well to his feet. And ever since that massive move from Kim Faisal, Babaya hasn't been himself.
Patrick Asiedu, will he cross? He does. Kojamwako. Aduana Stars attacking through the left channels. That was a bit of an unnecessary delay from Hansen and Ponsa. And the fans are furious.
Looking at Bamba and Calvin Obey, these are two guys that having the height, they can give a lot of hold the play with their back towards goal.
And Kamara nearly conceded from that distance.
Just like I said, he's having the height, but the ability to take advantage of high balls is something he must improve. And he do take some balls for granted. This one nearly. A lot of improvement must be done in terms of reading and anticipating balls.
Patrick Asiedu. This was the ball from Rich Saki, which nearly Calvin Obey, Silas Sherman.
I can see a bit of attacking improvement from Aduana Stars. For a while now, they've been struggling to find a pattern of attacking flow. But having Bamba and Calvin Obin, who can serve as target men, making long balls for them to knock down, is something interesting. And look at that long ball and watch that knockdown from Calvin Obin. And they've won free kick leading. The zone 14, the sensitive zone, the golden zone.
Bamba. Corner kick.
2 goals this season for Bamba. He scored against Mediaman and against Swatraman. He's hoping to get a lot of goals for Aduana Stars. But my question is, Robert, having Emmanuel Mahfoud 4 goals this season, you decided to bench him for Calvin Obey and Bamba.
Emmanuel Mahfoud came on against Swatraman and wasn't that impressive. Maybe that is the reason.
In stage games, you need your top scorers, your best players, and those who can kill games with strikers' instinct. Calvin Obey isn't consistent. And Bamba is more of a presser than a focal point.
Passing nice control. Patrick Asiedu doing some defending right in the half of Aduana Stars.
Formula of breaking Chelsea, Patrick Asiedu. I am seeing a bit of improvement from Patrick Asiedu. His awareness has improved massively. In offensive third, he's consistent defensively. He's giving a lot of balance for Kotoko.
Patrick Asiedu. Kojamwako intercept. This is Calvin Opin. Richard Tete. Tete slop. Gobani Ndongani Samba goes down. The game still in play. Justice play. Alex Boache. Aduana Stars playing beautiful. Bamba. Bamba strikes.
4-2-5 sort of setup anytime they are having the ball. And they are causing problems for Kotoko in defense. And just like I said, they are now finding an attacking pattern. The long balls are helping because having Bamba and Calvin Obin, 2 players with height, 2 players that can dominate the air, 2 players that can hold a play. It's quite working because some bit of agency is coming attack for Aduana this time around.
Today, Justice Blay playing more of a DM, just in front of the defense, allowing in team menu to move to advanced positions. A good pass. Can Bamba life for Aduana? Life. They look lively, and maybe, just maybe, they could come back into the game.
Of course, they are trying to be a bit purposeful, and the technique is just clear. Get some long balls in the box, hoping that Calvin Obey or Bamba can get the first touch. Then they can pounce on the second ball. Albert Amwa kept quiet so far in the game.
This is Bamba. Richard Tete. Abubakar Adams. Bamba heads. Saved by Kamara. Aduana Stars maturing into the game gradually.
Of course, what a way to get your rhythm. But again, Mohamed Kamara, a signature save from that perspective.
And Kamara would have to go down just to calm the nerves and the pressure.
Aduana trying to be on the front foot, and the high balls are just helping. That was a perfect header from Bamba, but again, Mohamed Kamara with that crucial touch. Mohamed Kamara, he won the man of the match against Carrera, his first game in the country, and for Kotoko. From there, he's been inconsistent, but I love what I'm seeing this afternoon from goalkeeper Mohamed Kamara. But in as much as he's having the height, he's not making very, very good use of that height because he struggled to handle, and scientifically, goalkeepers with height, high balls and long balls are easy to dominate. But something different from Mohamed Kamara.
Timenu. Press it to the right. Asante Kotoko Saka Dauda is still a chance. Basi.
Miscommunication between Basi and Albert Amwa.
4 minutes being added on. Rich Saki giving some complaints.
That miscommunication.
Leave it for the striker.
Wisdom Bassi believes he can find the back of the net. Playing as a double pivot with Intim Nenu. And look at that stability, the thickness I spoke about in midfield for Kotoko. Is led by Justice Blake. He's known for that. That is his role. Justice Blake. The midfield dynamo they call him.
Lots of fans.
Not a very good run on the road for Kotoko this season. After winning that game against Karela 1-0, KTC Albert Amwa. It was 1-1 against Brekum Chelsea, 1-1 against Basek Holy Stars. They lost on the road to Lagos Cities, but 2-1, and 1-0 defeat at Bechem.
In team, this is for Albert Amwa to chase against Rich Saki. Kodwa comes in. This could be the moment. Reginald Collins Amwa. He blows. He blows for the end of the first half. The Aduana Stars playing at home, trailing by a goal, being pitched back by Patrick Asiedo's free kick. Good first half. We're hoping to have same in the second.
Aduana Stars, they love conceding first goals. They conceded the first goal against Midiama, but they came back with a draw. They conceded the first game against Nswatraman, but they came back. Let's hope and see whether they can do that magical things they often do after conceding the first goal in the second half.
The second half, we'll be back with you in a few minutes' time.
Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again.
We are ready.
We are ready.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Dreams, we are ready.
I'm ready.
We are ready.
Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own.